Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks code on Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. As you can see, I'm starting this video over at the official Fortnite website instead of on the Nintendo Switch. This is because to properly redeem a V-Bucks card or V-Bucks code, you need to use the Fortnite website. You cannot do this through your Nintendo Switch, so go to your computer or your phone, open up a web browser, and make sure you go to Fortnite.com. And here you can either sign in now, or if you want to sign in afterwards, simply go to more option at the top. Here, select V-Bucks, and you will be immediately redirected to this page where, as you can see, you can redeem your V-Bucks card. If you aren't signed in, you will get a prompt telling you to sign in. Now, you just have to select Nintendo Switch or Nintendo account, and after you are signed in, simply select Get Started. You will immediately get this box where you can type your code or your PIN and go through with the setup. As long as you are signed into the proper Nintendo account, you will receive your V-Bucks immediately after redeeming the code. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.